I think we need about 500-600 R's back there.
All right, Captain.
What
Just took off from the dock. How we feeling?
The takeoff went so great. We came up with a new great idea to put a line around the starboard stern piling because the crab walks to the left. And Kevin and Mitri just pulled the stern over, and then Kai, Garrett, Tristan, and Tim watched for pilings and on the bow. And I didn't even put it in gear at all the entire time until we were straight.
So it's pretty smooth.
It was very smooth. It was perfect.
Ready to get
Tide was good.
ready to get the
was
sails
good.
up. Not much wind. See what we can do.
Once we get out here a little bit, we
Yeah.
should get a little bit more.
All right, Kai, how you feeling?
Hey guys,
Last time you saw him.
already opened a drink, so we're starting off right.
Perfect. Tim, how we feeling?
Super excited. It's gonna be
Perfect.
fun.
Garrett,
Not much to say. Just ready for this trip.
ready for the trip? The trip has started.
Well,
Ready to get somewhere.
Nothing broke at the dock, so that's
Yeah. Tristan, say hi to the vlog. What do you have to say?
Hi, vlog.
What are you
We
excited
did really
for?
good. I'm the first mate, not Mitri.
Yeah, I gave it to her. She can have it. All right, we'll see you guys. We put the sails up.
Roll back.
Ahoy!
We'll keep the net.
I didn't give you enough horse down with
All right, we can tell the vlog what we got for lunch.
Did you get that video?
Yeah, a little bit. Ooh, look at those.
Hell yeah.
I think those are homemade.
Oh, this is breakfast.
All right, what do we got there?
Yeah, that'll feel good.
Breakfast tacos.
Here, hold on.
Yummy.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
All right, mother.
We're gonna turn on the engine so we can start moving a little faster.
Kevin's driving. There's
Yeah,
Mike.
well, we're going pretty slow right now. Did you just put the sails up? Yeah, not too long ago. We turned off the engine.
Finn?
How you feeling, Kevin?
Ooh, yeah. Let me try one of
Pinwheel.
those guys.
Yeah.
Yummy. Seagull. No bueno. We're gonna try and save his life though. Our sister ship is leaving us, so. Put him on the deck. We're gonna revive the poor guy. Here we go. Back up. Look at this. We got the 37-foot Hunter tied up to the 53-foot Hatteras, and almost the way out in the Gulf. I think we're about 5 miles out. I don't think you can see anything out there. You can see a little bit of light. Yeah, there you go. Look at this, wild. All tied up. All tied up. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Crazy. Hey, buddy.
I'm not
Ryan Kevin's headers now.
They said they brought Uno and a couple other card games.
Halfway there. Halfway there.
We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there.
We are getting there.
Yeah.
We're gonna drift all the way back to
We got one.
Mackerel. Oh.
Finn's like, what the hell is that thing? He's a floppy boy. We do.
Yeah, I'll get you a bucket.
Yeah.
Look at all that meat.
You've gotten some practice.
I told you the tire is going to get away.
Tim, you caught this. How do you feel about that?
Oh, fucking great, dude. Yeah, hell
Look at
yeah.
that thing.
Yeah, right?
So huge.
Huge.
Look at that. Is that the biggest fish you guys have ever seen?
I'm excited to eat it.
Yeah.
I caught the first one ever in the ocean.
That's the
First
biggest
one ever.
I've
Yeah.
been excited to eat.
Kevin, what do you think about this fish?
I can't wait to eat it.
Yeah, he's hungry too, man. Look at him flaying it up. Kai, how do you feel? Alrighty.
And this fish we won't get a disease from it.
We're gonna throw it on the grill.
Yeah. Your girl's cooking already?
Yeah, there we go. Oh, that smells good. If you guys could smell this. Chef Kevin.
Okay.
We got the dinghy, Nick sailboat. Got everyone here.
There you go. There we go.
Ready?
Oh!
Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, buddy. Hey, Wisteria. Pretty neat. What do you think of the Wisteria Yacht Club?
Kind of spooky.
It is kind of spooky.
It's like a bunch of old stuff.
Yeah. Pretty spooky.
Especially since I saw that guy disappear over here.
Yeah, where did he go? There's some solar panels and stuff. Look at him. Oh, it's not gonna focus on him. Oh, I walked right into his web. Thank God he didn't freaking. And then this is a mast. Held up by these cables. Wicked. Wisteria Island, Key West. Whoa, 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 whoa. What do you think? What do you think?
I think this is weird as fuck.
It is weird. It's spooky.
I'm kind of spooked right now.
Very spooky.
Like Hobo Island over here.
Yeah.
Fanciest yacht club I've ever seen.
Very spooky. Oh, dude, that spider was freaking weird. Yeah.
Hey, buddy, we got Mike Brain. That's my wife right there, singing a song. She doesn't know me yet, but she will. I hope. Oh yeah. Look at her, she's perfect. I'm gonna subscribe to her.
Don't you worry, you'll find me safe. Follow your heart, there's nothing left you can do.
up for Emma. This is the first time I'm able to play with her, and I'm having a blast. I'm having a blasted blast.
Me too, man. Y'all give it up for this band one time. Alex is gonna play a song with us real quick, so
Oh my god.
I'm gonna watch.
Oh no, Dimitri, no!
Just standing there.
Yeah, he's trying. I don't blame him. Dimitri!
Making noise. Day one of the voyage back to Fort Myers. Oh, jump's good. Oh, I missed it. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. See these things? Crab traps. Everywhere. We're probably 15 miles offshore right now. And they're everywhere still. Everywhere. I don't know if you can see them in the video, but... crab traps everywhere. The entire trip. The entire trip. Dimitri and Garrett are passed out, hungover, down there. They've been sleeping all day like some bums. But me, Tristan, and Kai figured out how to trim the sails pretty good. And we got decent speed out of it. Unfortunately, we still have to run the engine just so we make it back in time. But lesson learned, never put a time limit on a sailing trip. I think the dolphins are gone. That's cool though. Oh my gosh. I swear they know when the camera's out. They know. Well, we've been doing pretty bad vlogging, I think, but we're about 40 nautical miles into the trip back home, Fort Myers. We're trying to hit 40 nautical miles a day, get us back on time. I doubt you can see Kevin, but hopefully he makes his way back over here before sunsets. He's far over there. Yeah, we got to have the sails up. Well, the sails are up, but we're also motoring. We had the sails up and we were going about 5 average, 6 sometimes, and we even got up to 7 a couple times, miles an hour. And then the wind died and we were going about 1.5, so we had to turn the engine back on just to cover some more ground. But everything's been great today. Hopefully everything stays great. Engine checks have been good. Bilge checks have been good. Fuel is at a half tank. It took us a quarter tank to get here, and it was we put it up to 3/4 tank on the way here. So we should get back with just over a quarter tank left. We tried to get gas in Key West when we first got there, but or try to get diesel, but we went to the fuel dock, didn't have any, and then the gas station didn't even have fuel in general, and then also the other gas station we went to, the diesel was out of order, so I said screw it, but I think we'll be fine anyway. If not, we have sales. Might just take a long time, but we'll get there. All right. Update at dinner time, hopefully. Maybe I'll remember to do it if Kevin decides to come back. Where is he? Wait, where is he? There he is. There he is. What's up, chat? We made it back to... Honestly, I don't even remember where the last vlog was, but we made it back to Fort Myers after the Key West trip. Took us 3 days to get there. And then we were there for a day and a half down in Key West. It was fun. We did some snorkeling. Went to Wisteria Key. That was pretty neat, like this Hobo Island Yacht Club thing. It was pretty sick. And then, of course, we went to the bars. Mitri got destroyed. Garrett got destroyed. I had to pick them up from the marina at like 3:34 a.m. and bring them all back to the boat because we were in the mooring field down there. Garrison Bight mooring field. Pretty cool spot. And then we sailed back another 3 days. Everything was going good. Weather was pretty good. We just anchored out in the Gulf because it was calm out. And then as we were passing like Bonita Springs, Glover's Key, we were about like 3-ish nautical miles offshore on that line. Thankfully, because we had service on our phones. Because on the way there and on the most way back, we were probably, I don't know, somewhere between 30 and 50 miles out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a little less, give or
like
take. I
20,
don't know,
30.
whatever. Anyway, the engine kept, the alarm started going off, so we would turn it off, mess with it, blah blah. Turns out there's a pulley that wasn't able to move the raw water pump, and the impeller couldn't spin, so there was no water cooling down the engine, so the engine would overheat. But so we had to call Towboat US. They towed us all the way from about Lover's Key to the Matanzas Pass mooring field, which we are now. It's our first night in the mooring field here. The boat will be here for the next couple months. It's pretty neat. It's pretty cool. We're a little bit further on the south end of the field than we wanted to, but we might be able to get it moved once we get the engine fixed up. Garrett, anything else? Is there anything I'm forgetting?
No, I think you really said it all. Nothing.
Going on 3 minutes here, guys.
All right, that's good.
Yeah.
Cut it off.